It's interesting when Google plugs in, you realize Google has this massive audience from search to YouTube to Gmail to the documents. And then you look at OpenAI and you realize it has no audience. It had zero audience before ChatGPT was released. And like you said, how quickly that can be taken away.
In enterprise, Microsoft has a huge audience,
Yeah,
right?
in
Because
enterprise.
so many businesses use Azure and use Microsoft Office Suite and so forth, and they're gonna integrate OpenAI's tools there, which may cement their ownership of the enterprise. I mean, Google has Google Docs and Google Enterprise tools, but they're not actually meeting the needs of enterprise as well as Microsoft Office Suite integrated with Azure, right? And that's a problem that it's not clear generative AI overcomes the factors that have caused Google not to make great enterprise products, right? I mean, it could help because generative AI can be an interface to enterprise software, but it doesn't fully solve the problem. So I think Microsoft will do just fine, right? I mean, they can roll out generative AI to transform all of their enterprise and Office applications and so forth, and that can be very, very big for them. Whereas, for sort of retail end user, Google has a lot of users and a lot of data to play with. And I mean, I haven't actually switched from using Google Brave and DuckDuckGo to Bing, and probably you haven't either, right? I mean, no. I did use Bing a few times when the Bing chatbot was out there, especially the completely insane version, which was fun to talk to. But I mean, in the end, I'm sure it's grown Bing's market share a little bit. I haven't looked it up, but it's not. I mean, Google has responded fast enough that the feared draining of Google's audience to Bing has not happened, right?
Yeah, it hasn't happened. And funny you said that about OpenAI, because I heard Sam Altman say on stage specifically that they are not training or building ChatGPT-5 right now. He's like, we're not training that right now. And I thought that was interesting, but...
Well, I take that with many grains of salt. Yeah. I mean, maybe they're training ChatGPT 4.5. I mean, they went from 3 to 3.5. Maybe they're training GPT-4 Turbo, right? I mean, I just took that to mean he doesn't want to scare people.
Could be.
And I mean, that's so yeah. I think I will guarantee you they're proceeding full speed ahead on whatever R&D avenue they think is most productive at this point in time, and assigning names and version labels to these things is a marketing action, not a technology action.
So Jim Rickards has just recorded a video that's not available to anyone in the public, and he's going to be talking about how this upcoming recession is going to be fast, it's going to be bloody, it's going to be nasty. But at the same time, he's going to show you how you can position yourself to profit from all of this chaos. Now, we've made this video only available to our viewers. Go to londonreal.tv/Jim. Watch that immediately. I can't say enough good things about Jim Rickards. He understands the global economic system better than any guest I've ever had on London Real. His predictions are almost uncannily true, and you can learn how to profit from his vision, from his expertise, and his understanding of economics. So go to londonreal.tv/Jim or click the link below. It's an excellent, excellent look on what's going to happen in the future and how you can position yourself to profit from that. Jim is one of the best in the business, one of my favorite guests on London Real, and he's very, very good at predicting the future and showing us all to profit from it. So click the link, and I hope you enjoy. I'm looking for partners, collaborators, colleagues who want to join forces with me around the globe and create real value, generational wealth, and financial freedom for everyone else around the world. Get involved in the cryptocurrency markets, get involved in the NFT markets. This is your moment. Life all comes down to a few moments. Don't let this pass. Now it's not too late. Next year is going to be too late. Ultimately, this is about freedom. That's the way I see it. This is about giving power back to the people and enabling billions of people worldwide
to use the financial markets to improve their lives and those of their friends and their families and their communities. Honestly, I think it's a violation of human rights not to allow people basic access to financial services. Because right now people are being kept in the dark, they're being robbed of education, and it's a travesty. And so I'm looking for people that want to join me and be a part of this solution. And that all happens inside the DeFi Academy. The gains my students are making are absolutely amazing. Double, triple digit gains in the first month alone. That's amazing. This will change your life. Now is the time to get involved. I'm going to tell you exactly how my students in my academy made money in the last 30 days. I'm talking about real trading results. And let me just whet your appetite a little bit. Let me hit you with some numbers. I'm talking Brendan from New Zealand is up 68.77% on the month. Steve from Europe up 83%. Albert in Singapore up 169.9% on one single trade. I got Susan up 153% on her call options alone, also rocking 139% returns and 442% returns as well on individual trades. These are people that are changing their financial future in the last 30 days, but it's based on trading discipline.
I've graduated over 500 students from inside my academy from over 54 countries around the world. It's amazing. When it comes to crypto, DeFi, and blockchain, we love this space. We truly believe it's the future. This is down to our core. It's authentic to what we're doing, and everybody can tell through the camera because you can't make this stuff up. If you're watching me now, wherever you are, I implore you, take 60 seconds right now and join my academy. Apply today. Now you've got a chance. Life all comes down to a few moments. What are you going to do? What's the choice that you're going to make?